There are so many tarot courses online, but they are either pre-recorded videos or lack practical sessions under an expert's guidance. Hi guys, I'm Namrata. I'm a tarot and oracle cards reader, a twin flame coach, and I also specialize in karmic and soulmate relationships. I have served more than 7,000 clients, and now I wish to share with you all my tarot learnings. I have introduced Tarot Basic and Tarot Advanced courses, which is a practical step-by-step training designed for you to start your tarot reading journey. My courses are in the form of live classes and not pre-recorded videos, which helps you to get your doubts cleared in real time and know what or where are you going wrong. The Tarot Basic course consists of Introduction to Tarot, the major and minor arcana, how to charge and clear cards, how to prepare for a tarot reading, what to do when you get incorrect readings, tarot reading techniques for health, love, career and general interpretations, basic spreads, 5 techniques to link cards, reading yes or no and when questions, free PDF of all the card meanings. Tarot Advanced course consists of everything covered in the basic course plus symbolism and imagery in tarot, numerology and astrology in tarot, using and practicing oracle cards, practicing advanced spreads like twin flame, healing trauma, past life spreads, pregnancy spreads, and what's more, there's free guidance on how to set up a 6-digit tarot business from scratch, just like I did. If you wish to enroll, DM me right now. More details are pinned in my profile.